Yeah, people, so right now Jamaica proud of Masicka and where Masicka do, you know. Masicka take dancehall and show the world, say, oh, a Jamaica this thing a come from, our thing this. So that is a good look. And as you know, last week Masicka made an appearance on Fox 5, New York, yeah, and that's a very big channel. Everybody know about Fox 5, so the thing just look real good. Last time I get that feeling here, you know, when I see Sean Paul, Pam BT sing Gimme the Light. Yeah. A few weeks after Alkaline performed live on Fox 5 New York, Masicka stepped on the big stage where he made his first ever live television interview in the United States. The Genocide DJ spoke about dancehall music locally and in the States, as well as how artists like Vybz Kartel and Bob Marley influenced his career. I don't know, this is a Portmore DJ, Portmore artist, yeah. So you know a whole heap of talent come from Portmore, but Masicka made it clear the talent they all over Jamaica. It spread out, yeah, cause in our culture, you know, say music is like a backbone thing, a part of it. In every little garrison, every little corner, in the little minibus them, in the taxi them, music a blast. So music a part of our culture, we can't deny that. So we love what Masicka do, and we just want to congratulate Masicka upon him journey and know say alright, the youth a do it. So when him say top farm, I never joke thing. When him say changes in life, I never no joke. Yeah man, Masicka always say, oh, this little youth here, when him say, can't pass half a treat. So when they right you know, alright. So this only means that Jamaica need to see the talent them from early, see the potential in the youth them and know so them can do it. You see me?
So what happens when technology and one of the hottest genres of music cross paths? It goes global at the speed of light. From the words we never heard, the man they carry me in the air. All right, he's one of the top dancehall artists in the world. I'm talking about Masicka, who sat down with Good Day New York.
Don't wait till the foreign media and the foreign platform them take up the artists them and showcase them to the world. Then you see everybody a jump on board and say, yeah, am my artist that, am my artist that. You see me? So we have to start lift up our artists them from we see the talent there and the potential there. We have to start push out our artists them and don't wait on the world. Same thing they happen with Sean Paul. When you hear Alkaline come and say, vengeance in my eye now, that him a talk about nobody never to believe in him. But when him do it now, you see me? That's how it goes. So again, we just want to congratulate Masicka upon him journey. We want to congratulate some of the vloggers them like So Flow TV, you don't know JA Radio TV, and CV. Yeah, so you don't know upon Fox 5. All of them vloggers they get big up, you know, so the vloggers them thing upright you know. You see me? Vloggers them get highlighted as well. So that's why we as vloggers we have to try put out great content and put out the real message and not just any little thing. You see me I say? So this is a good look and so we want to see dancehall just arise. Some people go as far as saying dancehall so dead, dancehall a stall, but I don't know Vybz Kartel tell you that from a long time. Say dancehall can't stall. Yeah, this is just a beginning night. So if you ask me people, I say dancehall upon the right track. This is where we needed to be heading from a long time ago. So if you remember from the Shabba days and Buju days and we used to see them international collabs there, even with Beanie Man and Maya and Beanie Man and Janet Jackson, we now see them thing they happen nowadays people. You see me? Bounty Killer and Gwen Stefani. You see me? Beanie Man and T.I. With all of them collabs there, we now see them happen again. What about Spragga Benz and all Foxy Brown? So only thing me hope can come from these people have to see some more of them international collabs there, especially with the young artists them who are come up in the business right now. We want to see that happen again. And I feel like that are the main ingredient to make dancehall really dip on the scale weight for there and people can recognize it for say a Jamaica that thing come from and we are the owner of this part of our culture. So I think the world need to know and this is just a beginning people. This is just a start. So the greatest thing about the internet people, you see me? We're more open to information now. So information can't hide. Right now you have artists like Tekashi 69 where I put out even songs where, you know, dancehall oriented or reggaeton vibe like, you know, Drake One Dance. All of them things there are our music that I come from, our culture, our genre get tap into this, you know, people. You see me? So with the internet right now, it can't hide. The world are gonna know. And that important to me, say the people them know where the music originated from. No want the people them feel like over Germany, cause we hear Germany a drop some nice reggae, or over Japan, cause Japan a knock up some dancehall. No, it's important for the people them know. So that's the greatest thing about the internet. So on the comment below, tell me what you think. I know I'm most happy for Masicka. I know I'm happy for Alkaline for come perform as well on Fox 5. And I know I'm most happy for the vloggers them. A good thing this for we people. Again, Jamaica for them on the map. Small country with little, but with talawa. Yeah, people. So just like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment and tell me, are you happy for the direction dancehall is heading right now? Yeah? And what about our dancehall artists? Are they finally starting to get the recognition from the mainstream audience that was missing for quite some time? Tell me, people, comment below and tell me your thoughts. Yeah, man, respect. I'm out.
Happy girl scream. What do you mean I jump now? Let's tell you what we parties. I pretend it back. I know you're kind of throat. I know when I come. Put the sound of clap. I bet you. Before you come up that money, young shots be done. Who want to tell them how strong we party? Who want to tell them right now? Tell me about. I know. Come on, my boy, come down the door now, start to the fence stuff, yeah. Hey, come here, we have this already done. We have this already done.